how do you change and believe something you don't believe? Now, some people say, oh, I'll get evidence, I'll work hard, I'll get incremental changes, I'll see that this is working. This is a big no. And again, we can go into the science of this. Evidence never will change a belief, because when you get the evidence you seek, you'll discard it because you won't even believe the evidence, even when it's better than what you seek. And again, challenge, push, raise your hand. Make sure you push me for this tonight. Some will say fake it till you make it. No, because when you're faking it, now do you not only have the original problem that you had, now by faking it, you're a liar too. So your mind is not going to change a belief because it knows you're lying. And now it's even going to record a double negative on you. Yeah, you still have the problem, Bill, and you're a big fat liar I can't trust because you're trying to pretend that this isn't true, and it is. Some will say time, some will say effort, Most don't even know, and certainly not for themselves. They know how to do it for other people, but not for themselves. Now, the law of attraction, and I'm not hung up on that. I can go into any vertical swim lane, any vertical school. I can go into the new age of law of attraction. I can go into quantum physics. I can go into traditional Napoleon Hill, Zig Ziglar, Tony Robbins. I can go into, biblical. All the schools of thought say the same thing. They just use their language. It doesn't matter. I like the law of attraction because it's very succinct. In the movie The Secret, ask, believe, receive. Now, I'm not a fan of receive. I like Jack Canfield's spin on it that says, no, you got to act inspired. That's connected to the receive, But in order to believe, aren't you back into this do loop? Again, back to square one, because you don't believe that you can be unstoppable, that you can be this person. So there is only one way to consistently, powerfully, easily, and this is the hyperbole, you better believe that I mean it, this is easy to change a belief. This is one brilliant sentence out of The Secret. Put the emotion in your body you would have when the belief is true. Put the emotion in your body you would have when the belief is true. And then what happens is it feels true. It engages the right brain chemistry. And because you're wiring at the chemical level, it becomes addictive. So these new habitual sentences, because you have the emotion in your body, they feel good. You're not intellectual analyzing, is it realistic? Now, you can't put a little emotion in your body. You've got to put a big, powerful, exciting, I have a dream, goose pimple emotion in your body. And for everybody who says, oh, well, I don't know that I can do that, because you do this with negative speech patterns, you put worry and anxiety and stomach bile at, a level 10 for crap that hardly ever happens to you. You can do that. You now must repeat this powerful, positive, emotional, feel-good process. And when you're doing that, they become the new habitual sentences, and then reality changes. Everything changes. So let me repeat this. What is NLP? It is a pattern of sentences and words and thoughts that convey reality and truth at a habitual level. That's it. Your use of the habitual sentences create reality. There it is. That's what it looks like. A couple of neurons, this little awesome lightning bolt, That's a memory. That's a dream. That's a fear. That's the worst thing that you could ever imagine. That's the worst thing that ever happened to you. That's the best thing that ever happened to you. A little lightning bolt at a nano electrical level. We have to change what this means. And it happens by the very sentences that we use.